Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your recovery email in your Google account. So if you have a Google account and I don't know, many years ago you created a Google account and you want to check that recovery email that you use there back then, you don't remember it, how can you find that? So once you're signed into your Google account on Google, simply go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click and manage your Google account. Now here on the left hand side, go to security, and here you want to scroll all the way down under how you sign into Google. There is an option that says, or there's one of those options that says recover email, and this is how you find your recovery email. So once you find this, you can either go ahead and open that. So for me now, if I click on it, it will ask me to enter my email, my password here, and if I go ahead and enter my password, then I can sign into account, and then it will basically show me that recovery email. Here you can either do a quick verification of that email, or you can simply go ahead and remove that email and enter a new one and save that. So that's it, guys. This is how you can check it. This is how you can basically add a new recovery email and that all those good stuff. So if you want to add a recovery email to your Google account, or you want to check your recovery email in Google account, this is how you do it. Very easy and very simple.